If you're a contractor, developer, or hotel project buyer, you already know the pain. You need tiles, sanitary ware, lighting, and furniture. Not one item, not one category. You need everything to arrive on time, match the design, and fit the installation schedule. And when you buy locally, the prices can be tough to swallow. So the question becomes, can you source all these categories from China in one go? The short answer is yes. But the real answer is yes, if you follow a structured system. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a practical, contractor-friendly approach to sourcing tiles, sanitary ware, lighting, and furniture from China as one coordinated package. This is the same logic we use at Yansourcing to support overseas projects that need multiple categories, multiple factories, and one clean delivery plan. Let's break it down. First, understand why one-go sourcing is not the same as one factory sourcing. A common mistake is assuming you can find one supplier to handle everything. In reality, tiles, sanitary ware, lighting, and furniture are different worlds. Different production cycles, different quality risks, different packaging requirements, different installation dependencies. So the goal is not to use one factory for everything. The goal is to use one structured process to manage everything. That's the key mindset. Now let's get into the step-by-step method. Step 1. Build a China-ready BOQ. Many projects start with mood boards and beautiful renderings. That's great for design direction, but factories need something more concrete. A China-ready BOQ should include room types and quantity, a list of items per room or per area, basic specs, size, material, finish, color, usage location, guest room, corridor, lobby, wet area, outdoor, and your target budget range per category. For example, instead of writing bathroom tiles, write wall tile, 300 x 600 mm, matte light gray, floor tile, 600 x 600 mm, anti-slip finish, estimated quantity, x square meters. This kind of clarity makes your sourcing process faster and your quotes more accurate. And here's a pro tip. If you can't finalize everything at once, classify items into 3 groups. Group A, must-match design items. Group B, functional items with flexible design. Group C, items you can value engineer later. This helps you prioritize samples and avoid decision overload. Step 2, split your BOQ by factory type. This is where many contractors gain serious control. Tiles and stone should go to specialized tile or stone factories. Sanitary ware should be split into subcategories: toilets, basins, faucets, shower systems. Lighting should be separated into decorative lighting and functional lighting. Furniture should be divided into loose furniture and built-in carpentry. When you split properly, you avoid 2 common problems. Problem 1, a supplier pretends they can do everything and then outsources behind your back. Problem 2, you end up with a single weak link blocking the whole project. The best practice is to shortlist 2 to 3 factories per major category. That gives you pricing leverage, production backup, and a clearer comparison. Step 3. Align timelines before you lock the order. This might be the most underrated step. In multi-category sourcing, timing is not just about lead time. Timing is about dependencies. Tiles may need earlier confirmation because of manufacturing and shipping volume. Lighting might need more time if there are custom finishes or certifications. Furniture often has the longest development cycle, especially if you're doing custom items. So you need a simple project timeline that includes sample deadlines, mock-up or model room approval, mass production start dates, QC schedule, consolidation and container loading plan. If you skip this timeline alignment, you'll see classic chaos later. Tiles arrive early, but furniture is late. Lighting is ready, but packaging labels are missing. Sanitary ware is delayed because the factory changed a component. A good sourcing partner will build this schedule with you and push each supplier to follow the same rhythm. Step 4. Samples and a mock-up room. If you're sourcing for a hotel, service department, or residential development, do not skip this. A mock-up room is your insurance policy. It allows you to test color harmony across materials, tile joint appearance and installation logic, lighting temperature and brightness, furniture ergonomics and finish. Fixing mistakes in one room in China is far cheaper than fixing mistakes in 50 rooms on site. For contractors, the cost of delay and rework can be brutal. A mock-up reduces that risk massively. Step 5. Lock specs with a simple confirmation format. This is where you protect your margin and your schedule. Before mass production, you want each supplier to confirm 5 things in writing: final product spec, final unit price, total quantity, lead time, packing and labeling standard. This one email rule is a super simple way to avoid chaos. Because misunderstandings don't usually come from big issues. They come from small details. The wrong tile finish, a faucet with a different cartridge, a light fixture with a slightly different metal tone, furniture handle changes that affect the whole look. Small details create big site problems. Step 6. Create a QC plan that matches each category's risk. Not all products require the same inspection focus. For tiles, key checks often include size tolerance, flatness, shade consistency, and packaging protection. For sanitary ware, surface defects, functionality tests, water leakage checks, and compatibility with local installation accessories. For lighting, finish consistency, wiring safety, aging tests where applicable, and proper spare parts. For furniture, dimension accuracy, edge finishing, structural stability, and hardware integrity. A good QC plan is not just a generic checklist, it's a category-specific quality strategy. And there's a contractor-specific point here. For projects, packing and labeling is as important as product quality. Because site teams need clarity, so your packaging standard should include labels by room type or zone, SKU codes that match your BOQ, clear carton marking, and protection suitable for long-distance shipping. Good packing saves hours, even days, on site. Step 7. Consolidation in China. This is the secret weapon that makes one-go sourcing actually possible. Your goods may come from 5 to 10 factories. If each factory ships separately to your country, you risk higher freight costs, multiple customs processes, more chances for damage or missing items, and zero control over arrival sequence. Instead, a local China team can receive everything in one warehouse. They can check quantities, verify packaging and labels, repack or reinforce where needed, combine multiple categories into full containers, and coordinate loading plans by project phase. This is how a multi-category project becomes a smooth shipment plan instead of a logistical nightmare. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistakes contractors should avoid. Mistake number 1, choosing based on the cheapest quote. In project sourcing, the cheapest price often becomes the most expensive outcome, because it triggers revisions, delays, site rework, and quality disputes that cost real money. Mistake number 2, skipping sample discipline. If you don't set a clear sample approval process, you'll lose control of consistency across categories. Mistake number 3, weak documentation. Projects need simple, consistent documents, a clean BOQ, a spec sheet for each category, a confirmation email format, a packing and labeling standard, and a master timeline. This is what separates professional project sourcing from random shopping. Mistake number 4, treating categories independently. Tiles, sanitary ware, lighting, and furniture should be sourced as one coordinated system, not 4 separate mini projects, because your real success metric is not good prices. It's on-time delivery, design consistency, smooth installation, and predictable project cost. So, can contractors really source tiles, sanitary ware, lighting, and furniture from China in one go? Absolutely. But the winning formula is simple. A China-ready BOQ, specialized factories per category, strong sample and mock-up discipline, a category-specific QC plan, and consolidation under one coordinated team. That's how you get the cost advantage of China without sacrificing project control. If you're planning a hotel, apartment, or commercial renovation project, and you want a China-based team to help you source multiple categories in one structured package, from factory search to quality control and consolidated shipping, you can reach out to Yansourcing.